Hi, my name is Harman. I am a graduate of 2011 batch of electrical engineering from GNDEC, of course. I live in a city called Halifax in Nova Scotia, Canada. It is a beautiful city and I would highly encourage you to take time and visit when you can, given that it's a pandemic. What do? I manage sales for a company called The Source, and I'm also a leadership mentor and a people coach. Right now, working with a lot of teams, a lot of people here in Halifax itself. GNE. One word that I would use to describe the entire college for me, as per my experience, is empowering. That is a place where I felt I was empowered to be the better version of me. I'm gonna use a quote that one of my professors actually quoted on me was, "Don't be you today, be the future you." That meant so much to me when he said that, because I didn't know what he was talking about. Later on, we went to a tutorial session and he explained that if you have a goal, you set a personal goal and be like, this is the person I want to be in my future. GNE has the power to groom you into becoming that person. And then that's where my journey started. First year, second year was, of course, trying to get a handle of what's going on. Third year and fourth year was when I really, truly realized who I am, who I want to be. Do I want to be an engineer? Do I want to be something else? And I realized that I wanted to be a little bit more than an engineer. And that's what GNE turned me into. Right now, I'm very proud to say that I have managed closer to about 100 people in my tenure of 4 or 5 years with this company, and it has been a beautiful journey, and I'm grateful for GNE for inculcating those senses of community, the sense of inclusiveness, the sense of leadership, and above all, sense of being a good human. Apart from engineering and every single thing and all those technical skills that you learn at GNDEC Engineering College, this college particularly offers you an idea of what being a good human being is. I have worked with a lot of colleges as a teacher, as a guidance counselor, as well as being a guest lecturer. And what I see is that my college, which I'm truly and humbly proud of, has taught me into being the better version of me. And I thank all my teachers for that. GNE taught me leadership skills, fundamentally talking about, basically talking about the idea of how to be a true leader within your own sector of class. You have 30 or 40 people sitting in your class. How to work as a team, yet be successful as an individual. That's something that GNE taught me. I was a convener for a club called PFA, Photography and Fine Arts Community, working with Professor Harmanjot. He taught me a lot about how to work with people by making them feel inclusive, making them feel understood, while making sure that you are also putting them in the right direction, because you can have a vision that somebody who may be a little myopic of themselves may not understand that. Your vision for them has to be something that you have to explain and work with so that they can become a better human being. They can become a more successful person. Professor Tingler closely worked with me in helping me understand what mental health was. I definitely suffered from a lot of issues when I was in college, like because of stress, right? But then he helped me how to be more organized, how to be a little more on point with things so that you can focus on being successful instead of being overwhelmed. That was something that Professor Tingler taught me, and I'm very grateful for that. There's a lot that this college has to offer. There's a lot that this community of GNE has to offer. We are all sitting across the globe where we reach out to as alums, we reach out to our existing students, or current students, and we tell you that you're in the best hands. You're in the most favorable hands. You could not be in a better place right now, especially given that we are going through a pandemic where life is so challenging and unpredictable right now. You should feel, you have to actually feel this, that you are in a safe place where you're not only getting your education, but you're also being groomed into a better human being. I just don't have anything but thanks for what GNE turned me into, for making me understand that what truly being a Genconian meant. And I'm very proud to say that I am a Genconian today. Thank you very much, GNE, for being GNE.